The Galaxy S25 Ultra will have its display and camera upgraded to the highest possible standard, according to one of the 3 new upgrades that have been released today. ICE Universe claims that the Galaxy S25 will include new features and design elements influenced by the Galaxy XR. For those who are unaware, Samsung's version of Apple's Vision Pro mixed reality headgear is called the Galaxy XR. Given that the Galaxy XR and the S25 Ultra are scheduled to arrive at around the same time, considerable overlap is expected. We are discussing possible design resemblances, seamless device-to-device connection, and perhaps even certain common functionality like Samsung Continuity and Galaxy AI. Samsung's decision to proceed with the Galaxy XR is intriguing, particularly in light of Apple's difficulties with sales of the Vision Pro. Samsung may attract more attention if they can price it much less than the $3,500 asking price of the Vision Pro. Either way, it will be fascinating to see whether Samsung is able to get this technology popular. Proceeding now, Samsung said that the Galaxy S25 Ultra would have top-tier improvements for both its display and camera during their most recent earnings conference. The display and camera will be upgraded to the greatest quality, according to the press release. We already know that the S25 Ultra will feature new camera sensors, like as upgraded 3x telephoto and ultra-wide cameras to 50MP resolution and an improved 200MP primary sensor. Additionally, Samsung said that they are aiming to enhance and provide fresh AI experiences with the S25 Ultra. In order to improve communication between the S25 Ultra and other Samsung devices, such as your refrigerator, oven, washing machine, and more, they want to embed AI in a number of locations. This will create a more seamless ecosystem. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip driving the S25 Ultra has scores of 2,884 for single-core and 8840 for multi-core on Geekbench. Compared to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, these scores show a 35% increase in single-core performance and a 30% increase in multi-core performance. The S25 Ultra's multi-core score is almost 22% greater than that of the iPhone 15 Pro Max, although its single-core score is comparable. The final scores should be greater than this basic variation, maybe exceeding 9,000 in multi-core performance, since the S25 Ultra will feature a customized version of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 with faster clock rates. Although the iPhone 16 Pro Max's Geekbench scores are unknown, speculations indicate that it won't much outperform the iPhone 15 Pro Max in terms of CPU performance. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.